Welcome students. Today I will discuss some miscellaneous problem of differential equations. These problems often come to West Bengal JEE, JEE Main and IIT also. So I have already discussed how to solve differential equation, different methods, and I have already solved differential equations of various types of problem. Today I will consider miscellaneous problem of differential equation. So from description box you look problem number 2, 3, 16. So problem number 2. The solution of the differential equation is given. Solution of the differential equation. Now look this part. We solve it by substitution method. So what is the substitution? This will be clear from the terms. Look, this is derivative of xy and this is derivative of x plus y with respect to x. So we substitute. So let v equals to xy. So dv dx equals to x into dy dx. So dy dx, dv dx, x into dy dx. So y into by product. And if we put w equals to x plus y, so what is dw dx? So 1 plus dy dx. Now if we put this substitution to the given differential equation, we get this is w. So w square and this one is equals to dv dx. And this is v into dw dx. Now w square dv equals to v dw. Now separate the variables. So dw by w square equals to dv by dw by dv by. So integrating. Now this can be integrated. Variables are separated. So this is minus 1 by w, minus 2 plus 1, and this one is log v plus c. So putting value, what is w? W is 1 by x plus 1. 1 as it is w. So log xy plus c. So what is general solution? Log xy equals to c dash minus 1 by x plus y. If we consider c as positive, so it is minus c. So this is solution of the differential equation, general solution. Very simple problem, but look, you have to substitute two transforms. This is derivative of xy and this is x plus y. So this is general solution. Now consider problem number 3. Look, it is application of differential equation. So population of a rabbit surviving at time t is given by the differential equation this. P0 initially when t = 0 it is 100. Find Pt. So differential equation is given or very simple. So this is, we can write d dt of Pt minus Pt by 2 by half Pt equals to minus 200. So this is linear differential equation and can be solved by integrating, by finding integrating factor. So integrating factor is integration minus half dt. So e to the power minus half dt. P is minus half. So if we multiply equation 1 by integrating factor, we get d dt of Pt into integrating factor equals to minus 200 into the power minus 2. Or you can write this into. So now integrate. So integrating, we get Pt into e to the power minus t by 2 equals to minus 200 into 2 into e to the power minus 2. This is minus 2. So this is plus c. So this is general solution. Now C to be obtained by using condition, initial condition. So P0 equals to 100 implies t = 0, Pt equals to 100. So what we are getting, 100 e to the power 0 is 1. So this is 400 plus c. So this implies c equals to minus 300. C equals to minus 300. So what is particular solution? Particular solution, so put value of c, Pt into e to the power minus t by 2. So 400 e to the power minus t by 2 minus 300. So this is particular solution. Or you may simplify it, Pt equals to 400 minus 300 into e to the power t by 2. So solution is this one. So very simple problem. So given differential equation, so find integrating factor and use initial condition, find t. Now we consider problem number 4. The function y equals to fx is solution of this differential equation. X belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 and f0 equals to 0. Then you have to find value of this. So look, x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 because in this interval it is area. This is area. So it is linear differential equation. So we can write it in this form. So 1x by 1 minus x square into y x4 plus 2x by 1 minus x square. So call it 1. So integrating factor minus x by 1 minus x square. This is e to the power minus half log 1 minus x square. So minus 2x and this minus. So this is plus. And if you simplify it, you look, this will be root over 1 minus x square. You may say, why we have taken this 1 minus x square? Because if we take it x square minus 1, this will be log x square. So this is root over x square minus 1. But domain is minus 1 to plus 1. So that is why we are changing in this. This is 1 minus 1 by x square. Now from 1, we have solved so many problems. So from 1, we can write it directly. So y into integrating factor equals to integration x square by 2x root under 1 minus x square. So x square plus 2x by this, and integrating factor, this one is root over 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square dx. So integrating factor, this is minus. So I think this is e to the power. Here, look at this step. E to the power. This is log. So e to the power log root over 1 minus x square is e. So integrating factor is root under 1 minus x square. So you please modify it. This is root over 1 minus x square. So here it is modified root over 1 minus x square. And this is root over 1 minus x square. So we are getting x cubed by 3 plus x square plus c. Now one additional condition is given to find c. Given f0 equals to c. f0 equals to 0 implies x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So 0, 0, 0. So implies c equals to 0. So we are getting c. So what is y? Y equals to c equals to 0. So x cubed plus x cubed by x square. So x cubed by 3y square into root under 1 minus x square. So this is the value of y. So this is solution. Now you have to calculate, look, minus root 3 by 2 to root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2, 2 plus root 3 by 2, y means fx. So half into x cube plus x square, y root under 1 minus x square. So this is problem of definitive integration. So half unchanged x cube root over 1 minus x square dx plus minus root 3 by 2 to plus root 3 by 2 x square root over 1 minus x square. Now this is odd function. So from property of odd function, this is 0. So this reduces to only this part. Now second part is even answer. So we can write it as 0 to root 3 by 2 x square by root under 1 minus x square dx. So this is our required integration. Now x equals to sin theta, dx equals to cos theta. So 2 into 0 to pi by 3 sin square theta d theta. So cos theta cancel. 1 minus cos 2 theta. So now it is theta minus half sine 2 theta. So this is 0 to pi by 3. So this 2 is absorbed. So pi by 3 minus half sine 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3 minus half sine 120. So this is 3 by 3. So sine 0 0. So this is value of required definite integral. So this is mixed problem. Function of fx is not given directly. So solving you get fx. Then you can find value of the integral. So this is most important problem. Now we consider some same types of problem 5, 9, 11. We have also solved this type of problem in previous class using these results. So d of xy, d of y by x, d of x plus y, that is writing left hand side in terms of dy dx of dy dx. So look, problem number 5. So dy dx x square plus y square plus 1 by 2xy. So it is not homogeneous due to presence of, so not separable. So look, if we write it in this form, so 2xy into dy, 2xy into dy. So x square plus 1 plus y square into dx. Now look, this step, x square plus 1 into dx. This problem, this part, you can easily integrate it. So you transfer 2xy minus 2xy dy minus y square dx equals to x square plus 1 into dx. Now, if we write this relation, look, d of y square by x. So, x unchanged. Very differential of y square is 2y dx minus y square unchanged, x is dx. So we get d of x. So if we divide it by x square, we get a standard result. So if you divide by right hand side also by x square, so you can easily integrate it. Now this is a result of d dx of y square by x, d of y square by x, and this is 1 plus 1 by x square into dx. Now variables are separated, you can easily integrate it. So this implies y square by x equals to x plus x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Now we have to find the integration. Given x equals to 1, y equals to 0. This is given condition. X 1, y 0. So 0 equals to 0. 0 equals to, this is 1, this is minus 1 plus 1, and this is minus 1. This implies c equals to 0. So we get, what is y square? Y square equals to x square minus x. Y square equals to x square minus 1. I think this is minus 1. This is particular solution. So look, this one can be written in this form. We can write it in this one. Now if we divide by x square, we get d of y square by x. That is why we are dividing throughout by x square. Integrate, find general solution, use initial condition, find C, put value of C, and this is particular solution. Now, all are same type. So, suppose this one, 9. This is very simple problem. You look, this is root over 1 minus x square y square into dx. So, this is d of xy. So, dx equals to d of xy by root over 1 minus xy whole square. So, now it is very simple. So, this is x and this equals to sine inverse xy plus c. So, these results are most important. So, you have to see, look, this one is d of xy. So, this is function of xy. So, separate the variable and integrate it. Now, problem number 11. dy dx, that is this f dash. This is f dash. You can write. So, this equation, look, y into f dash x minus y square. Y into f dash x minus y square multiplied by dx equals to fx dy. Fx dy. So y into f dash x minus fx dy equals to y square dy. Y square dx. Y into f dash x into dx y into f dash x into dx minus fx dy equals to this. Now this one is odd. So if you divide it by y square and look, so if we divide it, this is y. So this one is fx, d of fx into y, if we can consider. So denominator is y square, y unchanged, f dash x dx minus fx unchanged dy. So if we divide it by y square, we get right hand side as only dx, and what is left hand side? So this is d of fx by y. So look, d of fx by y unchanged, f dash x dx, fx dy. So this is dx. Now it is variables are separated, so you can write fx by y equals to x plus c. Fx by y equals to x plus c. So what is fx? Y into x plus c. So this is solution. So last one, exactly same problem, all are of same type. So problem number 15. X dy by dx equals to y square by 1 minus x power x. So look it again. X dy dx equals to this. So multiply as of previous. So this is x dy dx minus xy log x dy dx. X divided by dx minus equals to y square. So divide throughout by xy. So if we divide by xy, this is 1 by y dy dx. 1 by y dy dx minus log dy dx. Log dy dx. This is y by x. This one is y by x. Now 1 by y dy dx equals to y by x log, this is log x, I think this is log x, modify here, this is log x, log x, 1 by y dy dx, y by x log x dy dx. So if we write it 1 by y into dy, so y by x dx plus log x dy, log x dy. Now look, this one is okay, you write it in the form of d of product of two functions. So if we write y into log x, so look, y unchanged, derivative of log, differential of log x is 1 by x dx, log x into dy. Now here variables are separated, so integrated. So we get log y equals to y log x plus c. So these are of same type. So express left hand side as d of product of two functions. So they are of same type. Now we consider differential equation, homogeneous differential equations. So homogeneous, which can be expressed as a function of y by x or x by y. They are homogeneous. So we have already discussed it. They are very simple problem, but problem of JEE main. Look, problem number 8. So a car passes through 1, pi by 6 and slope at xy is this. So what is slope? Slope means dy dx. Slope is dy by dx. So y by x same y by x. So this is board standard problem. Problem of completed exam, but they are of board standard. So y by x, this is homogeneous. So y equals to x. So dy dx, d into 1, x into dt dx. So 42. So 1 and 2 implies d plus x dt dx. So d plus 7. So d plus 7. Now you separate the table. So set b to left hand side. So that is cos b equals to dx by x. I have already stated, if it is homogeneous function, if it is function of y by x, right hand side is y by x. So this is sin b log x plus c. So what is v? V is y by x log x plus c, which is general solution. Which is general solution. Now what is our condition? When x equals to 1, y equals to pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 equals to log 1 plus c. So what is c? 1 by 2. C equals to 1 by 2. Sin pi by 4. So this is 1 by 2 log 1 is 0. So it is called particular solution. Sin y by x equals to log x plus 1 by 2. So problem of completion, but very simple one. Now this one, problem number 10, exactly same. So problem number 13. So look here, it is sin x by y, sin x by y. So it will be simple if we can express it in the form of dx dy, because we put here x by y equals to, so it is function of x by y. So what is dx by dy? So dx by dy. So dx by dy. So this is y sin x by y, and dy multiplied by x sin x by y minus y. So divide by y. So x by y sin x by y minus y sin x by y. So call it y. It is function of x by y. So what is transformation? X equals to dy. So dx dy, d into y into dv. So call it 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2 implies. So what is 1 and 2? So d plus y dv dy equals to d sin d minus 1 by sin d. So if you write d sin d by d, so this is d sin d by sin d, d by minus cosec d. So dv cancel. Now you separate the variable. So dv, cosec d will transfer to left hand side. This is sin d dv equals to minus dy by y. It is function of x by y. So right hand side is dy by. So now integrate it. This is cos d minus. This is minus log y. This is minus. So finally what we are getting, cos of x by y equals to log y plus c. So which is general solution? Which is general solution? Now use given condition. X at pi by 4, x equals to pi by 4, y equals to 1. So cos pi by 4 equals to log 1 plus c. So that earlier. So c equals to 1 by. So what is particular solution? So cos x by y equals to log y plus 1 by. So they are homogeneous and you can solve using y equals to dx or x equals to dy. Very simple problem. And now we consider two more problems. They are linear differential equations. So this is the advanced and this is easy. So both are very simple. So problem number 1, this is direct problem. So look, y dash. So dy dx minus tan x into y equals to 2x sec x. So this is linear differential equations. So what is p? P is minus tan x. So e to the power minus tan x. So e to the power log cos x. So tan x log sec x or minus log cos x. So minus at the beginning, that is why we are taking in this form. So cos x. So if it is cos x, then we know left hand side can be expressed as d dx of y into integrating factor, and right hand side 2x sec x into cos x, 2x sec x into cos x. So y of cos x equals to integration 2x dx. So d of this, omitting one step, sec x cancel. So this is x square plus c. So what we are getting? Y equals to x square sec x plus c sec x, which is general solution. Now one more condition is given. X equals to pi by 4. Y equals to, what is y? So to verify it, so it is y0 equals to 0. So y0 equals to 0. One condition is imposed here, y0 equals to 0. So x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0 plus c sec 0. So sec 0 is 1, so c equals to 0. So finally, what we are getting, particular solution, y equals to x square sec x. Now we have to find y, sorry, yes, it is given y, this is y pi by 4. Then y, according to problem, you have to find what is y pi by 4. Y pi by 4 equals to what? Equals to what? So when x equals to pi by 4, what is y? So x equals to pi by 4 implies y equals to pi square by 16 into sec pi by 4 is 2. So pi square by 8 So very simple problem. So now you consider 17. These are all of board standard. And you may notice that in JEE Main, so board problems are preferably board problems are generally preferred. So only simple problems are. So problem number 17. So this is dx dy. So what is dy by dx by dy? So 1 by e to the power minus 2 dx minus y by x. So dy by x ratio by. So e to the power minus 2 dx minus y by x. So dy dx plus 1 by x into y e to the power minus x. So not given in standard form, now it is in standard. So what is integrating factor? Integrating factor e to the power 1 by x dx. So e to the power log x, that is x. So you know dy dx of y into integrating factor. So x into e to the power minus 2x dx. So multiplying by this. So look, this is root x. So this one is root x. This one is root x. This is x. So please modify the problem. So what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power 1 by root x. So e to the power x to the power minus half plus 1. So e to the power half by half, that is 2 x to the power half. So 2 into e to the power 2. This is integrating factor. This one. Now it will be simple. So Wbjee of y into integrating factor equals to this multiply, so this is 1. So y into e to the power 2 root x dx, that is x plus c. X plus c. So what is y? So y equals to e to the power x into e to the power minus 2 root x, c into e to the power minus 2 root x. So y equals to this, which is general solution. So today we have solved some miscellaneous problem. So different type of problems: linear equation, homogeneous equation, exact equation, different types of problem of differential equation. So they are all competitive effort, and you may notice that problems are very simple. In the next class, I will solve some typical problem of differential equation. So you solve the rest of the problems from description box. So thank you for today.